Today we're gonna have some fun, relax, kick back, order up some popcorn. Can you order up popcorn? If you can, do it, because popcorn is gonna be awesome in this video. You get to see the souped upness of this rig right here. Yeah, buddy. She's a race car. You hear that engine rev up? Oh yeah, it's a fast little bug. Nothing can beat her, let me tell you. I'd race a 440 with a six-pack on it any day of the week because I know my bug, I know it's time, I know she's fine, and I know she's fast. And if you think you can hang with that little bug, you got another thing coming. Today we are addressing the rust on the driver's side rocker. Now we've put some plates in place and it is starting to shape up quite nicely. Now we still have some cracks between the spot welds, but I'm not going to end up using solder to fill those because I don't want to heat up the metal because I can't get to the other side of it. And if I can't get to the other side of it, I don't want to have another fire. So what we're using is a form of JB weld. Now this JB weld is the bomb. I've used it before. It's fantastic. It's a very high heat JB weld. It's very easy to apply. It takes a little while to set up, but it's sandable, moldable, and it is awesome. It's designed to be placed on manifolds and radiators and these kinds of things. And so if it can handle the torture of those temperatures and those pressures, then I know it can handle just keeping a little bit of moisture out from the filler that I'm going to put on it. This is the JB weld I was talking about. I've used it before, it's awesome. Here is what the rocker panel used to look like. And now this is what the rocker panel currently looks like. Pretty cool, huh? Well, it's still a little bit of work. It's not perfect. I've never done that before, so no judgments here. This is all about learning and having fun. I have no idea how, but apparently it's important to check the tightness of these little tips because, well, it almost hit a car. That would have been a bad day. You know what else is a bad day? I can't see you, it's too foggy. Here we have a bug that is just utterly disgusting. Even though it's gross, even though it's nasty, even though I have a lot of work to do on it, it's just a good time. Every day that I work on it makes the day better. If ever I'm having a stressful day or I'm tired, I just come out here and work on this bug and I'm having a good day. So find yourself a bug, y'all. Have some fun with the VW. If you can find yourself a bus. Now buses, that's where it's at. I want to get a bus so badly, it's just driving me up the wall. But first things first, I need to first get this bug unrusty. And then second, I need to actually paint this little bug. And then third, well shoot, I still gotta paint this bug. So I have to take care of this bug in here as well at some point. When I see a bug, I kinda think they're like a four-wheeled Harley. You know? I mean, they're cool. You can only fit like one other person in them. They're air-cooled. They always require maintenance, which the new Harleys are better, but it reminds me of an old Harley. They're just something fun to do. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, feel free to share it. You're not gonna hurt my feelings, I promise. No feelings will be hurt today. No feelings will be gone astray.
That better be enough, you little bugger.
Yeah.